Hi everybody, I'm Daniel and this is
Angel.
And today we're going to be drawing
Baby Sonic the Hedgehog.
Baby Sonic the Hedgehog. So come on over, we're going to draw. All right, everybody, so now what we're gonna need to draw, we're gonna need a Sharpie. And some what?
Paper.
And some paper, and then we're gonna color with some colored pencils. So we're gonna start first with the nose.
No.
So, in order to do the nose, we're gonna do a U in the middle. And then we're gonna close that U on top. And then we're gonna make just a tiny little dot. That's gonna be the highlight. And then we're gonna fill that highlight in. All right. So now we're gonna do the eyes of our baby hedgehog. So we're just gonna do another U upside down. Just right there, we're gonna do big eyes. And then we're gonna do another U right next to it. It's gonna be a really happy Sonic. And then we're just gonna bring another line, and then we're just gonna close it. And also the other one, we're gonna close that line. So now that we have the eye, we're gonna do the pupil. So we're gonna do a big oval right here, and then we're gonna close it up. And then we're gonna do a highlight, which is gonna be right there. Big googly eyes, because he's a baby, right?
Right.
And then we're gonna fill that in. It's okay. I'm just gonna fill that in. It's all right if it looks different. Everybody does art a little bit different. What matters is that you're having fun. Okay, so now we're gonna do the same thing to the other one. We're gonna do a big oval, like that. And then we're gonna do another highlight right there. So another tiny little circle. And then this circle inside is the one we're gonna do black. So go ahead and color that. There we go. So now we're gonna do a smile. So right here, so from right here to right here. So we're just gonna do a smile right there, one big smile. Then we're just gonna add a little line right there and a little line right there just to show that he's happy. Perfect. Now we're gonna do our ears. So we're gonna do one right here, and then we're gonna close it. And then another one on this side. And then we're gonna do like a little M shape inside. So with the number 3. Right there. Then we're gonna do the top of his head. Like that, like a little arch, and then another one, and then we're just gonna do that right there. Go like here, and then like that. Okay, good job. So now that we do that, we're gonna draw the chin. So right here from this eye, we're just gonna go like this. We're gonna go down, and then we're gonna go from this side, and we're also gonna go down. So it's gonna look like an oval. There we go. And we're just gonna connect that right there. So now here from the ear, we're gonna go down like this, right about here to the eye, and then we're gonna come in, Then again, one down right here, and we're gonna come in. Oh, looks like my paper's getting a little too small. And then we're gonna do the same thing, another one. And then we're gonna connect down here. And then we're gonna go down once again. And we're gonna do another one straight like that. So there we go, we have the head for our Sonic. So for his body, we're gonna do a tiny little body. So just a circle right there. And then for his shoes, we're gonna do another circle. It's gonna be an ellipse like that. And then we're gonna do another one right about, whoops, right about there. Okay. And then for his body, we're also gonna come in through here with another line and bring it down. And then do the same thing down here. And then we're gonna do his hands right here, like a little rainbow right there. And another rainbow there. And then we're gonna do his fingers. There's gonna be little lines. So do 2 lines. And then 2 lines on the other side. And then we're gonna do the glove. So right about there. It's just another little tiny rainbow. And then the same on the other side, another little tiny rainbow. And then we're just gonna connect his arms up. And then again, we go down here and down there. Okay, so now we're gonna do 2 dots right here. 1 right there and then 1 right there. And then we're gonna do another rainbow right there. And then we're gonna come from this side and do another one. And then the next shape is gonna be a fun one. We're just gonna do kind of like a wave like that. Whoop. Just a wave. And then now we did that to that side, we're gonna do the same to the other shoe. So we do it with 2 lines, or 2 dots. Then we're gonna bring it together. And the same thing on the other side. We're gonna do a big one. And then bring that wave. All right, and there it is, our baby Sonic the Hedgehog. So now we're gonna color. Well, I hope you liked that video, and these are our final drawings. So for the next drawing, we're gonna be doing
Pokemon.
Pokemon. I'll see you next time.